Hi guys, this is your little tutorial on how to set up your camera. So make sure you put these settings for this camera in order to do this slow shutter speed work. If any of you are late, this is a little demonstration for you. So just watch this video so you know what you're doing. Mo, are you there? All right, make sure you tell your students what they need to be doing. Okay, all right, Mo. So right, we're going to get into this tutorial. It's quite straightforward. So you're going to use the Canon 250D. Switch it on. Okay, switch it on, and you're going to go into manual mode. Okay, manual mode, and you're going to change just a few things. You're going to click on the Q button, and you're going to go to ISO, which needs to be at 100. Okay, make sure you set that 100. And then your f-stop needs to be between 16 and 22. So this 16 and 22. So play around between 16 and 22. So I'm going to put it on about 18. Okay, set that. And then I'm going to go to my shutter speed. Now your shutter speed needs to be reduced all the way down to about sort of minus, I would say about minus 20 seconds, shall I say. So there's a minus 20-second delay. Okay, now that's the setting I'm going to have it on. You can play around with your shutter to increase and decrease it. Now this needs to be attached to a tripod, and this cannot move around. If it moves around, then you're going to get motion blur, and that's not necessarily what you want. So your settings are now set up. Minus 20th of a second, f18 and ISO 100. Go back to that. Make sure your camera is on manual focus, that one there, okay, and make sure your image stabilization is on. Okay, so those are your settings for slow shutter speed. So I'm going to take some photographs now with those settings, and I'll see what they look like. Okay. Yeah. So right, guys, I got my settings set up on this camera, and now I'm going to take some pictures with this light. So I've given you a load of different lights to use. So this is a phone, but you can use all the different lights that you bought in for today, or you can use the ones on the table, okay? So I'm going to take a photograph. So when I say action, we're going to photograph this picture, okay? So not yet. Okay, ready? 1, 2. You're just going to draw like your name, okay? You're going to draw your name, okay? So I'm not using a tripod, but you will use a tripod for this. You need to have it on a tripod. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Do it slowly. Finished? Yeah, finished. Okay, still doing it, so you can add a bit more in the background, you can have the lights going around. Oh, it's done. Right, so this is the result, okay? Okay, so that's what you guys are gonna do. So he's managed to write the word slim. We've got all these different tools, so you're gonna use any tool, all these different lights, so use any of those lights to do light drawing. So that's your basic, and let's experiment, see what we get. All right. Thank you.